Hi, thank you for joining us to learn about the unique features of the Timbr Knowledge Graph, a powerful data management platform that accelerates the delivery of value from data. This video shows how Timbr users can easily model dynamic classifications to make data easier to understand, consume, and shorten SQL queries by up to 90%. We'll use an example with e-commerce data. All the products in our dataset are associated with specific tags usually used to facilitate classifications by coding filters in SQL queries. The problem arises when there are many products containing many tags, and new products and new tags are added, thus necessitating the use of table arrays. The SQL queries used to query data by classification of products become long and difficult to maintain, and so delivering the required analytics becomes a time-consuming task. So how does Timbr help in this case? Timbr empowers users to model data using abstract concepts enriched with relationships and logic, so they can easily create, manage, and query classifications of data. In our example, we'll focus on the concepts created to represent our products and tags. We'll leave aside the rest of the model that includes concepts like orders, inventory, customers, and merchants. We created a concept named unprofitable product to classify products that are sold at a loss. We then define our concept's business logic accordingly. New additional classifications can be added as needed. With a few simple clicks, we choose which concept to classify, we give the concept a name and a description, and finally, add the desired business logic. Timbr allows users to do the entire modeling process of creating concepts, relationships, classifications, and mapping of data using Timbr's no-code visual interface. Those who prefer to model in code can still do it with standard SQL statements. Once a concept is created, users can view a sample table of the concept's data. Having completed the modeling of data, we open Timbr's SQL editor where we create, edit, and run SQL queries that query the virtual concepts instead of directly querying the physical tables. By doing so, SQL queries can leverage the virtual knowledge graph and become much shorter and easier to write, manage, and reuse. We begin by choosing the relevant model we want to query, so we can view the metadata of each concept, including all its properties and relationships to other concepts, and use those fields in our query. Now we can easily answer complex business questions such as how many profitable products above $100 do we have per tag? Or how many unprofitable products do we have per tag? We answer these questions with only 3 lines of SQL, without affecting the performance. To see the original SQL query that would be required to write without the virtual knowledge graph, we can always click on Explain and see the actual query created by the model and push down to the database, a query of 17 lines containing multiple joins. Instead of duplicating the source tables and applying transformations to answer a specific question, we solve it by virtually representing the classification in the semantic model and querying the model with simple SQL queries. These simple SQL queries can easily be reused by simply changing the concept name to fit the classification we are interested in querying. Just like that, in a matter of minutes, we receive our results that can be exposed in any BI tool, web application, or data science notebook for further analysis. I hope you enjoyed this video. Contact us at Timbr AI for further information, and check out other interesting videos of Timbr AI's features in our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.